This one is a bit more complex because you have two lines that you've been given, and one is in what we call standard form. So in this case, if this happens, where you don't just have a y equals something, then we're just going to circle, or you can box, the equation where you have y equals and then whatever x plus a number or minus a number on the right. So in this case, we're going to plug in the y, so we've got y equals 3x plus 8, and we are going to plug that into the line 8x plus 4y equals 12. So y equals 3x plus 8. So that would be 8x plus 4, and then we'll sub in 3x plus 8 for the y, because that's what we're told y equals up here. Okay, now that we've got this all plugged in, we're going to solve it like an equation. So on the outside we have a 4, the parentheses, so we'll multiply the 4 times the 3 and 4 times 8. So that would be 8x plus 12x, because 4 times 3x is 12x, plus 4 times 8, which is 32, and then that equals 12. Now on the left, we can combine our variables, 8x plus 12x, which gives us 20x plus 32 equals 12. Now we need to move that plus 32 over to the right, so we would subtract 32 from each side, and we would end up with 20x equals 12 minus 32, which is a negative 20. To get that x all by itself, we would divide each side by 20, and that gives us x equals negative 1. Now our last step again is to solve for y, because our goal is to get a y coordinate. So we're going to use the top equation where they tell us that y equals 3x plus 8, and we're going to sub in our x equals negative 1 and for our x up here. So that would be y equals 3 times negative 1 plus 8. 3 times negative 1 is just negative 3 plus 8. So that would give us a positive 5 for our y coordinate. So we would write our final point as negative 1, 5.